Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics in Class 12. First, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus and exam pattern. This helps you prioritize topics effectively. Next, concentrate on truly understanding core economic concepts rather than just rote learning. Finally, consistent practice of numerical questions is crucial for scoring well. Let's dive into effective study strategies. To study effectively, begin by making your own short, clear notes for each chapter. These will be invaluable during last-minute revisions. Visual aids like flowcharts can simplify complex economic models and relationships. Furthermore, regularly solving past exam papers within a time limit helps you manage your time better during the actual examination. This builds confidence.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. On another note, studying can be messy, so why not let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the cleanup? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your study space pristine. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
For microeconomics, a strong grasp of demand and supply principles is fundamental. Pay close attention to how various factors cause shifts in these curves. Thoroughly learn about different market structures, including their characteristics and pricing strategies. Don't forget to practice numerical problems related to elasticity and consumer equilibrium. They are frequently tested. Moving to macroeconomics, ensure you understand the different methods of calculating national income and its various aggregates. Next, delve into the government budget, focusing on its receipts and expenditures, and how fiscal policy influences the economy. Finally, a clear understanding of money, banking, and the functions of the central bank is essential for this section. These are core topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.